Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple frog, okay? So we're going to need two 260s. I already got one here, I already got one inflated. They're going to be 3-finger tails, okay? So go ahead and inflate that. So we got a 3-finger tail. And we're going to do that nice squeeze so it's nice and soft, right? So now we're going to make a 5-finger bubble. It's a little bit bigger than the handle. Okay. We're going to bring that back and twist that knot around it. Okay. Twist that knot around it. Pull that nozzle through. Like so. Now we're going to, you can either do the roll through or you can wrap it. So this time we're going to go ahead and wrap it around. So make the 5-finger bubble. And we're going to wrap it around. Okay. And we'll take that nozzle and make our 5-finger bubble. And just wrap that around like that. And we're just going to feed it through. Wrap it around a couple times. Okay. So you have this. We can actually get rid of this piece now. Okay. And just kind of wrap that around. And lock it in place. Okay. So now we have this. Next, we're going to take our, we have a 5-inch round, okay? And you want it a little bit bigger than a golf ball, okay? Just a little bit. Like so. We're going to go ahead and try that off. And we're going to split this in half. Okay? So if you haven't done this before, you're going to just put your hands on either side of the nozzle, like so. And we're going to go opposite ways with your hands. Okay? And you want to try to keep that nozzle right in the middle. Okay, so give it a couple twists, and we're going to take that nozzle and wrap that around the middle too. Alright. Then we're going to take our already inflated one and we're going to tie that around. And you can tie it off. Alright, like so. But now we're going to take this and we're going to feed it in between all four, or these two and these two. So it could be all four. Alright, and we're going to pull through. Okay, so if you're having trouble getting it to pull through, what you can do is you can pull this. Actually, what you're going to do is you're going to push from the bottom and the top, push it down, barely, and then you'll give the kid, you'll tell the kid, pull this, okay? While you're squeezing it and they're pulling, it'll pull it through, okay? All the way, sticking it. That's what I get for doing the video. Alright. There we go. So now you can see it's starting to look like our frog face. Alright, so now we're going to go with a 5-finger bubble. Actually, we're going to go a little bit longer. So, from right here, from the back of the bottom of the head to right there. It's about a 5 to 6 fingers. Then we're going to bring it back up. And we're going to squeeze, you want to try to squeeze inside the head, okay? If you squeeze too far outside of the head, it'll make a neck and it'll become a wobble head. It's a bobblehead. If you want that, then you can twist it out here. I don't like the bobblehead, so I try to twist inside the head. Try to get inside there. Okay. Now you can see it's not wobbling. Okay. Now we're going to make the body just a little bit longer than these. just a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to make the two back legs the same size as the body. Okay. So you can go ahead and just measure it like so. And then make another one. And twist right there. We're going to twist that together. Alright. And now we're going to make a small 1-inch bubble. And we're going to peach twist that. Okay. Now we can actually get rid of the rest of this. Got that around. Make sure you go the right way so you don't lose your pinch twist. That almost did. Okay, so we have this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to spread apart the legs. And we're going to push the two front legs into the bottom, like so. Alright. Now all we need is artwork. Okay. So we're just going to go with 2 black circles for the eyes. Give them a little eyebrow. And then the other side. Like so. And the eyebrow. So we're going to give him his little nostrils. And you got that. Now, I like to give it one more balloon. Okay, just a little bit. Tie that off. Okay. And we got this. We're going to take this and just stick it in his mouth. Now, you have a little frog. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you have any other balloons that you would like me to make, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Alright, bye.